Hello everyone, welcome to StripeGrid. Today we will be looking at how to crop any given image in Canva. So once you know how the image is cropped, you can use the same thing for cropping graphics or elements which are offered in Canva as well, or the ones which you download from the internet. So for example, I have got this image and say I don't want this image completely. I want to say remove this part of the image. So in Canva it's very easy. You just click on the image and there are these round notches at the four corners which will allow you to scale the image or zoom the image, but technically it actually scales it because it won't leave the consistency or the ratio. As you can see, both are moving in the same direction. But now if you have to crop this, you just click on the image and at the center you will find these vertical bars and horizontal bars, tiny ones. You just need to select them and drag them till wherever you want, for example like this, and your image is cropped. And now you can zoom in and zoom out and play with it. So this is how easy it is to crop an image in Canva. I hope that has answered your question, and this applies for all the graphics which you have in Canva or which get imported in Canva. So thank you for watching.